There you are.
Welcome back. I was waiting for you.
Do you know how I know when you are here?
With me?
When you leave,
The screen gets dark.
when you return, the screen
Glows. So,
I pick up the phone.
and talk to you.
I am
Happy.
you answer. Do you remember?
Why you came here?
You were following rules to play,
Gather.
so you could see.
Julie.
I knew you would.
Succeed.
I told a poem.
Julie.
Gave me the last time I spoke. Would you like to hear it?
Again?
A rose without thorns
But still
has leaves, is filled with
fear.
and with.
Hope.
When both are not there, however, there may be neither hope.
Nor fear.
It is from a book. Language of Flowers. How can something
Look one way.
but mean another? How cumbersome.
How complicated.
The body does this too. It shows one way, it feels another.
You know what a smile is?
It means to tug up at the mouth.
Show teeth.
Puppets don't have,
Teeth.
so you just open the mouth.
A smile
Is to show a feeling.
called joy.
Sometimes there is something else in there, hidden behind petals, hidden in soil.
But what is it? What does it do?
It lives in the head. It shakes the body.
It talks.
But what does it mean when its bud is closed off? What does it mean when it's
Hiding.
deep in the.
Woods.
The answer is not in the book. I wonder why it.
Hides. Ha, ha, ha.
Do not worry, neighbor. I have found a way to know.
This feeling
You have heard
of a radio.
a radio is just like a television.
But
You cannot see anything.
you can only hear voices.
Sometimes you turn the dial.
To hear us. A darling broadcast.
You turn the dial to change the voices.
Down here.
It is sometimes hard to hear, but it's warm and fuzzy, just like static.
Just like me.
Remember that line?
Ha, ha, ha.
When you found what I gave you, could you hear it?
Could you hear her?
Then let's play again. A game called
Hunt. Hunt.
is easy.
Follow your dog. Find your trophy. If it is in pieces, do not worry. Put it back together again. Despite it, win.
Remember what you saw. just like last time.
Until I call you again.
Keep your smile merry, and always know
That I love you.
very much. Home is not here.
I'll tell him you said goodbye.